The Discover 2.0 is a next-generation microwave synthesizer designed to perform both sealed vessel reactions above reflux temperatures and pressures, as well as reflux reactions at atmospheric pressure. It is capable of better performance, reliability, and flexibility in chemistry than any other research-scale microwave system. These advantages are directly related to the three key features of the Discover 2.0. First, the I-wave temperature control system, the most accurate and versatile form of temperature measurement. Second, active vent pressure management, a safety feature for sealed vessel reactions. And third, a 100 milliliter sealed vessel capacity, the largest of any single-mode microwave. This video will provide an in-depth look at these and all aspects of the Discover 2.0 hardware and software. The front of the Discover 2.0 features a prominent 10.1-inch touchscreen used for all operation and display of system information. Above the touchscreen, inside the LED glow ring, is the microwave cavity where all reactions take place. High-pressure reactions are safely sealed by the patented active vent pressure device. Two switches on the side of the system turn the power on or off and provide focusing controls for the integrated vessel camera. A USB port allows for convenient import or export of instrument parameters or connection to peripherals such as a printer. The other side of the Discover 2.0 contains only the speaker for audio output during unit operation and video playback. The rear of the system contains a variety of connection options for local area network capabilities, system accessories such as autosamplers, and upgrades for using gaseous reagents or performing subambient reactions. Dual cooling fans ensure longevity of electrical components, and the removable spill tray ensures easy cleanup of the microwave cavity. Power connections and fuses are located together on the rear of the system, as well as the connection for compressed air cooling and the active vent tube for removal of vented reaction vapors. Installing a Discover 2.0 only requires one 120-volt electrical outlet to power the instrument and a compressed gas source for rapid vessel cooling. Included with the system is everything you need to get started in microwave chemistry. High-temperature, high-pressure sealed vessel reactions can be performed in volumes as small as 200 microliters using our 10 milliliter vessel, intermediate volumes using the 35 milliliter vessel, or volumes up to 70 milliliters using the 100 milliliter vessel, a large capacity, repeat use vessel exclusive to CEM. Only 3 vessel sizes are required to cover a volume range 3 times greater than any comparable microwave synthesizer on the market. This is due to CEM's patented, floor-mounted, volume-independent I-wave temperature sensor. For your lab, this translates to less consumable inventory and a lower cost of ownership for the Discover 2.0. To perform a reaction in the 10 or 35 milliliter vessels, choose the desired attenuator, also called a microwave door, that will close the cavity. Place the attenuator in the cavity and rotate clockwise to engage it. Prepare your reaction vessel by adding an appropriately sized stir bar, solid reagents or reactants, and solvent. Caps can be put on or removed from the vessel without the need for tools. CEM reaction vessels can be flushed with an inert atmosphere, caps can be pierced to purge the vessel, or the entire vessel can be prepared in a glove box. Here, we prepared a simple nucleophilic aromatic substitution of 1-bromo, 2,4-dinitrobenzene with potassium thiocyanate. Place the sealed reaction vessel in the attenuator and you're ready to program your reaction. Discover 2.0 software is designed for optimal ease of use and flexibility in programming. The home screen displays the 3 things all synthetic chemists need: preparation of a reaction method, running a reaction, and review of results. Selecting Methods allows a chemist to review or edit an existing method or create a new one. Existing methods can be searched, filtered, or sorted by a variety of criteria. It is also possible to program methods remotely and import or export them with the Discover 2.0. Creating a new method helps a user quickly start from a non-microwave literature procedure or create their own method. The integrated conventional to microwave calculator applies the principles of the Arrhenius equation and CEM's decades of microwave expertise to provide a great starting point for method optimization. In the case of our reaction, we've already developed a protocol in CEM's undergraduate teaching manual. This manual provides a full curriculum with pre-lab discussion, experimental procedures, and post-lab questions for over a dozen microwave organic synthesis reactions on the Discover. The method can be identified using a unique name. User-created tags, and additional preparatory notes. The Discover 2.0 also has the unique capability of using a variety of reaction vessel materials, thanks to the power of the I-Wave temperature sensor. This novel sensor can see through glass and Teflon materials to provide direct monitoring of a reaction solution temperature, instead of the reaction vessel walls like a standard IR sensor. It also provides accuracy comparable or superior to fragile and expensive internal probes. Optional Teflon liners allow the use of caustic reagents that would otherwise etch and damage glass, such as hydrofluoric acid or concentrated solutions of sodium hydroxide. Optional quartz vessels are also available for applications requiring high temperature, pressure, and low leaching conditions. Control type dictates how the Discover 2.0 will apply energy to your reaction. CEM gives chemists greater capability than any other comparable microwave instrument provider to choose either simple heating programs or advanced programs that explore the nature of microwave chemistry. The standard, dynamic, and ramp to temperature programs control based on a reaction temperature, while the microwave power is automatically adjusted. The fixed power and power cycling control types allow the user direct control of microwave power application within safe limits. We'll program a dynamic method to demonstrate the range of customization in Discover 2.0 reaction programming for the average chemist. It is possible to enable a period of stirring before application of microwave energy, and up to 99 unique heating stages can be programmed. Each stage can have a unique reaction temperature, hold time at the reaction temperature, maximum pressure limit, maximum power limit, and stirring speed. Temperature is monitored internally using CEM's I-Wave sensor, which provides instantaneous feedback for the power control. The pressure parameter is a safety feature that prevents overpressurization events. It is the maximum allowed pressure that can be generated by the reaction before the Discover 2.0 stops heating the reaction or even actively cools the reaction with compressed air. Similarly, the power setting is the maximum allowed power that can be applied to the reaction. CEM's intelligent power control will automatically modulate the power output to optimally heat any reaction solution to the target temperature as quickly as possible and accurately maintain the temperature. The more advanced power control modes can either apply a continuous power, pulsed power, or heat in a timed ramp for compliance with standard operating procedures in a controlled laboratory environment. The ActiVent pressure device is a safety feature that automatically vents excess pressure to reduce vessel failures and ensures that there's no residual pressure at the end of a run. If reaction programming is also enabled, it is possible to program independent pressure venting stages. These stages allow chemists to remove unwanted gaseous byproducts from the reaction without losing any reaction volume, resulting in a better synthetic yield. The ActiVent will lift and vent the delta pressure value at the pressure set point, then reseal the reaction vessel and continue heating the solution. This vent and reseal process will occur every time the pressure set point is reached for a defined number of repetitions. Once programming is finished, save your method and select the play icon to load the method. Then, hit the play button on the run screen to start the run. The ActiVent pressure device will move forward, safely sealing your reaction vessel for the duration of the run. The Discover 2.0 generates graphs of temperature, pressure, and power after the run begins. If programmed conditions need to be adjusted, you can edit run parameters during the run using the hotkey functionality. The integrated camera allows viewing, snapshots, and video capture of the vessel. While your reaction is running, it's possible to leave the run screen and use other parts of the software. The current method parameter values will always be displayed in the top right area of the screen. Let's review a previous run result. Just like methods, previous runs can be searched, filtered, or sorted by a variety of criteria. Each result contains detailed information, including an audit trail of everything that occurred during the run, graph data, and any image or video media that was recorded. A sample or notebook ID can be assigned to the run, and all information can be exported or printed as a PDF report, or exported as a .csv data file that can be opened in any spreadsheet program. The System menu gives users access to complete instrument customization. Settings includes creating and choosing color themes, sounds, instrument name, and data settings. Units of measure, method defaults, and safety release limits can also be edited, along with Discover 2.0 accessory preferences and system configuration. Tools provides access to the instrument audit trail, calibration and diagnostic menus, general import-export functions, and the microwave method calculator. Users control system accessibility by using network-authenticated or local account logins, both with password protection. Help assists CEM remotely diagnose system issues and provides users with a library of hardware, applications, and software training videos, as well as the system operation manual. Once a reaction is complete, rapid compressed air cooling quickly reduces vessel temperatures to the user-defined release limit for removal and safe handling. The 100 milliliter vessel is unique to the Discover 2.0 and is also easily used without any tools or special caps. To prepare your reaction, place the 100 milliliter vessel in the vessel stand. Add an appropriately sized stir bar, solid reagents or reactants, and finally solvent. Place the attenuator on top, allowing the top of the vessel to come through the bottom of the attenuator. Place the two collars around the reaction vessel with the angled part pointed down. Then cap the vessel. Just like the 10 or 35 milliliter vessels, the 100 milliliter vessel can be flushed with an inert atmosphere, caps can be pierced to purge the vessel, or the entire vessel can be prepared in a glove box. Place the entire assembly into the cavity and engage the attenuator by rotating clockwise. Once your reaction is complete, disassembly takes place in a matter of seconds, uncapping the vessel and using any ferromagnetic metal to quickly remove the collars. This vessel allows convenient access to multiple grams of crude product with a single microwave reaction. Another feature specific to the Discover 2.0 is the ability to run reflux reactions using conventional glassware. This spacious microwave cavity can accommodate up to a 125 milliliter round-bottom flask. Simply place the Teflon stand in the bottom of the cavity, aligning the cutout with the cooling port. Place your already prepared round-bottom flask on the stand and engage the open vessel attenuator on top. Use of a glassware extension may be required before attachment of a reflux condenser, drop funnel, or any standard glassware setup. Open vessel reactions are limited to reflux temperature and atmospheric pressure, but allow for the slow or repeated addition of reagents to maximize synthetic yield, as well as removal of reaction solution for analysis. Should anything spill in the cavity or a vessel overpressurization event occur, the Discover 2.0 is protected by a Teflon spill cup that makes cleanup easy. Simply remove the spill cup, rinse any material into a proper waste container using a suitable solvent, and wipe the cup clean. Any additional debris is collected in the spill tray located on the rear of the unit. Removing the spill tray allows for quick and easy disposal. The Discover 2.0 can be combined with a number of practical accessories to improve chemist efficiency or the breadth of chemical reactions. 12 and 48 position autosamplers allow unattended running of 10 and 35 milliliter reaction vessels. For chemistry, such as hydrogenations and hydroformylations that utilize a gaseous reagent, the gas addition kit allows superior safety and better synthetic yield than conventional techniques. Subambient microwave reactions can also be performed as low as -80 degrees Celsius with the CoolMate accessory, a tool for temperature-sensitive reactions. To achieve maximum scale-up, vessels for continuous flow chemistry are also available. The Discover 2.0 expands the accessible synthetic space of any chemistry lab with the power of microwave heating. Whether the goal is improving existing reactions or exploring new compounds, you can discover a new wave of chemistry today.